Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can quickly and easily unarchive a group on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever archived a group chat to tidy up your messages, but now want to bring it back into your main chat list, this will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so that you can see your recent chats. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice the menu that lists your conversations. At the very top of this list, you'll find an option called Archived. This is where WhatsApp stores any chats or groups that you've previously archived. Go ahead and click on it to open up the Archived section. When you're inside the archived chats, scroll through the list until you find the group conversation you want to bring back. Once you've located the right group, hover your mouse over the chat. Then, right-click on that group and a small menu will pop up with different options. From that menu, simply choose the option that says Unarchive. As soon as you click it, WhatsApp will move that group back to your main chat list. You'll now be able to see the group right alongside your other active conversations, and it will behave just like any other chat you currently have open. That's all there is to it. Unarchiving on WhatsApp for PC is designed to be simple, and with just a few clicks, you can restore any group chat you need access to again. Whether you accidentally archived it or just temporarily wanted it out of sight, now you know exactly how to bring it back. So, the next time you're missing a group conversation from your main chat list, remember these steps. Open WhatsApp, go to Archived, find the group, right-click, and select Unarchive. Thanks for watching.